Oh my god, there is so much carbon deposit in the exhaust hole. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. The owner went to the repair shop and cleaned the throttle valve, changed the engine oil, replaced the oil pump, even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. But the problem still exists today. I'm here to help him find out what's going on. There is so much carbon deposit in the exhaust hole. I thought of a car part. Come here. That's it. It's called an oxygen sensor. I suspect it's malfunctioning. If it malfunctions, usually accompanied by abnormal vibration of the engine, let's get in the car and ignite it to try. Start the car. Okay, let's go to the front. Try it with water. Sure enough, the shaking was so violent. I'm now 90% sure it's the oxygen sensor problem. Let's take it apart and take a look. There's a line on it. Along this line, there is a connector. Remove the connector. Disconnect it. Okay, take off this wire.